Gentlemen. And Scotty. So, Xander's here. He's cranking. He's already started. He's getting stuff apart, bagging and tagging. Because this motor's coming out today. He's already about halfway got the carb off. I just wanted to say, this throttle cable.
Yeah.
Good God, that's like pristine.
This car has its issues, which we're all aware of. But it's nice when
This car has its issues.
My AM radio broke years ago.
I heard this is high mileage.
It is. It's excessively high mileage. I guarantee you I'm well over 1 million miles. Without a doubt.
That seal's worn
And
out.
probably well overdue for an oil change.
Some fluid exchange. Anyway, God. Alright, so Xander's on this. He's cranking. He's getting things apart, which is good.
Yep.
Because...
No, he's a nice add to the shop. He's doing really, really good work. Seriously. We like him being here.
And I'm a nice ass for the shop.
I don't know about all that. Maybe an asshole.
Not looking.
Maybe an asshole.
Jackass, maybe.
What do you think, asshole or jackass?
I think both.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job, Xander. Well done. It's so early, I can barely see.
Yeah, it's not even 6:30 yet.
Yeah. Look at us being adults.
Oh no, I'm getting the fuck out of here now then.
See, here's the problem. Alright, so Xander's on it. It's getting apart. Ow! Son of a bitch! That fucker's sharp.
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Yeah, I did it a couple times yesterday myself.
Oh, great. Now we're all pregnant. Wait, what?
Hey, if one of us gets pregnant, all I'm saying is I'm the manager because none of us are ever going to work a day again in our lives. That's all I'm saying.
Okay. Anyway, back at it, sir.
Yeah.
And remember, even though that's not going back on this car, get pictures of that for your reference, because there's other cars we do that use the same setup.
Yep.
So, that's how we learn. And Xander's been doing good at
Yeah,
learning.
he has. I have no complaints.
You're
No
good-
complaints.
you're
He's been doing
good
really
at-
good.
You're doing good at
Falling apart?
that, too. But you're all right. All right.
Yeah, not
so-
bad for an old white guy. I do pretty good.
Not bad for a muskrat.
This is true.
All right, back at it.